Hold it back.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are going to chat. Sorry, we're going to chat.
I was like, what's the chat?
So a man planned a week-long international trip for his 40th birthday. He had been saying this he has been saving for this milestone trip for a long time. The conflict arose when he told his girlfriend of just 3 months about the plans. And she was upset because she couldn't afford to go given her significant credit card debt. Even with his offering to cover lodging and part of the airfare, she wasn't able to join him.
Wow. So while some of his friends thought that he should stay home, most online commenters supported his decision to go on the trip alone, citing their new relationship and his long-held desire for this vacation. So this story brings a tough question, Carrie-Ann. Would you leave your partner behind to go on holiday because he can't afford it?
First of all, is it really a tough question?
Well, talk about the things. Talk about the things. Say the things to the people then.
All right. Would I go? Remember, the birthday is about me and not him. It's my birthday. Birthday. It's a birthday, so it's about me and what I want to do. So for him, friend and bride, telling him about to stay home. No.
Yeah.
So I would go.
Yeah. I hear you. And for me, this situation in particular, sometimes that's why when you do your thing them, you have to just do your thing them and make the Spirit of the Lord lead you personally. Because the truth of the matter is, when you put out things on social media, or just even in your family, it's not everybody have sense out there. You know what I mean? So it's not everybody you should allow to speak into your life.
I agree.
So as a woman, and I'm always very strong on the cause of the female, the cause of the woman, and I'm very much about injustice and equality and all that kind of thing here. I very much 100% believe that this man should go on his holiday. I very much believe.
Thank you very much.
Come on, say one of that things at home, say I'd be like, no, he shouldn't leave his girl. Here is the thing, the situation to me is not a tough decision, like you said at the very beginning. What's tough about it? It's not tough. Brother is so nice. Brother say, may I have to pay part of the airfare?
One.
May I have to pay for the whole of the lodging them?
Okay.
So all you have to do is pay for piece of your airfare? This also is something to say that everybody should date within your financial bracket. Okay? Date within your financial bracket. Because if me have Spanish Town money and you have Negril money,
sweetheart,
his are not the same.
It's another town. I'm a Spanish Town girl.
Okay. Carry on. Okay. If you his hard New Kingston versus Red Hills, I don't know. I don't have nothing else to say. What the point I was trying to make though is one is near and one is far.
Right.
It wasn't about better or worse. It was just about.
Thanks for the correction.
That is the mileage. I was speaking to the mileage because it's cheaper for me to get to Spanish Town, just gas money, versus for me to get to Negril.
Okay.
You understand? One need a full tank of gas and one can go with a little quarter tank of gas. Am I right?
You're correct.
Thank you.
Correct.
So you see, no offenses. I used to live in Ensom City, by the way. On Gordon Boulevard.
Okay.
In Spanish Town. I used to live there.
Spain Town, that was
home, yeah. So what do you think about social media trying to make this into him versus she kind of conversation?
Who posted it, by the way? Like, why is it
I think
on social media?
He posted it. So he's like, guys, should I not
he's
go?
Wrong for that.
Yeah.
You don't put it, no.
Yeah.
So now you're telling everybody, say she broke.
Don't let people know I can't afford it, babes. Babes, that is true.
He's wrong for that. I realize that nowadays, people don't limit what they put on social media. When it comes to your personal life, you
Do you think he was conflicted? Do you think, okay, let me try. So I've already said my opinion, like maybe I should be devil's advocate a little bit. Imagine I'm dating this guy and I have been with a guy and in a couple of months, I'm like, oh my God, I love him. Not really, long time. I was young, many years ago. And it's his birthday, I'd want to spend time with him. Would I be upset if he went on a vacation without me?
Are you spending? you want to spend his birthday with him?
I would want to spend my birthday with him. I mean, I would I would understand him going, but I would be like, babe, I'm that girlfriend. I'm like, so I get that. I get that she want to go, but I feel like your 40th is a big milestone.
Right.
It's a big birthday, and he wants her to go too. It's not like he's saying,
Yeah, he does.
I don't want you to come. He's literally like, let me pay piece of this and piece of this, and she's still like, she broke. You broke, girl. Credit card debt. That means that she's a spendthrift as well. So yeah, but this also takes us to another question though. What do you think about these men and women who just love to use the credit card and spend?
Trouble daddy.
Say it again. Trouble daddy.
Where do you think they're going ahead? Disaster.
Yeah.
What's disaster?
Because some people look at their credit card and they feel like, I have this money.
No, you don't.
Tell them no carry on, tell the things now. Tell them
money.
No, man. I don't feel no money not dead. You don't have any money, babes. Yeah, but I have an overdraft limit of, I don't know, $5,000 US. No, babes. No, babes.
No money.
It's not your money. It's not your
You're
money.
gonna have to pay. You're gonna have to pay back.
That part.
Yeah.
So yeah, here, the ladies here at on Daytime Live, we are with you, sir. Go on your holiday, enjoy it. Lady, sort out your credit, because this is not a good look for you on social media. Everybody knows you broke pocket. This is not a good look. Everybody knows now you have credit card debts.
Go heal.
Heal, because, you know. And yeah, enjoy your 40th. Wim name, happy birthday, sir. Whatever your name is, have a good one.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. And yeah, I'm about to go on my 21st birthday celebration happening in December. I'm 21 again, and I am planning a great one as well. On that note, love me. 21 again, Daytime Live. We're right back. Are we talking about In Some City and Spanish Town? Chronix, music video from Chronix, who hailed from there.